Buying Hostinger hosting with a free domain is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open your browser and search for Hostinger. Once you find the official website from the search results, go ahead and open it. Hostinger is a well-known web hosting provider that offers cost-effective, dependable, and user-friendly hosting solutions suitable for businesses and individuals of all sizes. Now, click on the Hosting drop-down menu and choose Web Hosting. Scroll down to the Pricing Plans section. Here, you'll find an overview of the features included in all plans. Note that a free domain name is included in all plans except for the first one. For this illustration, I'll opt for the second plan. On the billing page, please ensure to select a minimum 12-month billing period to qualify for the free domain. Proceed by signing up for Hostinger. Choose your preferred payment method and fill in the necessary details. Click the appropriate button to continue. A verification email will be sent to verify. Once verified, finalize the purchase. Next, choose your cPanel password. Upon completing this step, you'll be logged into your hPanel. Initially, you'll be prompted to set up your hosting. During this setup, you will see an option to claim your free domain. If you can't locate this option, check the domain section for its availability. And that's how you can buy a hosting plan on Hostinger, complete with a free domain name for an entire year.